I somehow believed that disciplined people are so different from me. Like how they do every task on a daily basis without getting bored. But after I started trying to change my habits, I have realized that discipline is not something I thought it was. Hi, I'm Akriti, and today we'll discuss the things I've been learning about discipline. I've started realizing that waiting for motivation doesn't really work because when you attempt something, a task or something, then after that you feel motivated. But discipline is way more different. Discipline is something when you consistently attempt something on a daily basis or every time, even if you are feeling to do it or not. For instance, when I started learning Excel, on the initial days, I was not a bit consistent with it. Like one day I used to do it, another day I wouldn't feel like I should do it or not. But when I realized that, yeah, I have to be disciplined about that and I cannot rely wholly on motivation, like when I'll feel that way, then only I'll try to do it. I started doing it every day. I used to sit and do it anyways. And when the days passed, I felt that yeah, it has become my habit to open that video and learn it, and somehow I completed Excel. So that is how discipline works. When you're trying to do something, it becomes your habit eventually when you are so consistent about it. Isn't it great? Because one bad day doesn't ruin anything. That is the whole point. Many of us always think that okay, this day we woke up late and we actually scrolled Instagram for a very long time, so this day is ruined. Now we cannot make it in a good way. It actually doesn't ruin anything. I woke up late, I have wasted my few hours, but that doesn't matter that you stop there. It does not work like that. Okay, if you've wasted few hours, so what? Start from the current point. If I slept for like I woke up at 11 a.m. in the morning, so it doesn't mean that my exercise which I plan to do at 6 a.m. I cannot do that anymore. Do it right now. What if the timeline has changed? You can still do that. You can still follow the timetable which you made yesterday. You can still follow the structure which you were willing to do yesterday. It's so easy. You just have to have the mindset to do it, and you have to put your words into action. That is what discipline is. Even if you had a bad start or the bad ending, you can start again, you can restart. You can again attempt to do that do list which you made yesterday, that tomorrow I'm going to do this, but when you woke up late and you had your breakfast late and you scrolled Instagram. But what the real question is, what are you gonna do now? And I have been reading a lot of books in which the writers always ask or tells that what matters is like what you're gonna do now after realizing that you have done something wrong. After that, what steps you take really matters, and that sets how you're gonna be. Sometimes what happens is I wake up late, like not at the time which I thought I would or I wished I would. So I did it. Like I woke up at 10. So whatever task I assigned myself or wrote down that I will do that at 6 or 7, and I wasn't able to do it because I woke up late, that doesn't mean that you cannot do that work again. Do that at 10 a.m. and follow the same thing again, because that what helps us to become disciplined and consistent. Because even if it was not a good start, we did it. That what really matters. Small activities matter more than bigger goals. For example, our mother used to tell us, fill up the piggy bank, and we used to, invest 1, 2, 5, 10 rupees in it. And one day we saw that even those coins, when collectively they were, invested or collected, they became big amount, right? They were just 1 rupee dollar, but they became big. So that is what our life is all about. As even the small activities, or I would say the small activities, help us become something bigger or achieve the bigger goals. Like, I used to think that, okay, cleaning my cupboard doesn't really align with my goals, or it is not gonna help me become a CEO or something. Why to clean my cupboard? That used to be my mindset way back. Those are the foundation of you becoming the better person. Those are basically I'm still learning discipline, and I've not figured out everything, but these are the lessons which are helping me right now, and maybe after some months I'll come back and see how much I've grown. So this is day 3 of becoming better day by day, cause why not? Bye.